Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to start Volvo XC40 updated. Press the brake pedal firmly, keep the key fob inside, and press the start/stop button while in park or neutral. Use the display prompts to confirm readiness and check for any warning lights. If the battery is low, try jump starting it or using a charged portable pack before repeating the start procedure. If your Volvo XC40 doesn't start, remain calm and follow a checklist. Verify the 12V battery and main battery levels, listen for starter engagement, and watch for dash error messages that guide next steps. Try a soft reset by locking and unlocking with the fob, then attempt starting again. If persistent issues continue, consult roadside assistance or a qualified technician to avoid further damage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make meal prep easy and save time when you're on the go after a service or road trip. They seal tight, stack neatly, and are great for packed lunches while learning car basics. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Understanding the smart key and drive modes makes starting smoother and safer. With the fob present, pressing the start/stop button without the brake enters accessory mode for climate or audio use. Press the brake and the button to start the engine, then choose drive or reverse to move. Always check mirrors, sensors, and surroundings before driving, and use gentle inputs until you feel confident with system responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.